Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today I'm testing this DeLonghi Grand Dama Avant, and I'm going to show you how to program how much milk you want to put in the cup. So I'm going to press and hold the cappuccino button. And then it says program quantity milk for cappuccino, soft regular position 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait until I get as much liquid as I want. And this is just water, so I'm going to say this is going to be enough when it gets all foamy. So I just press it again. And then it says program quantity for cappuccino. And this is referring to how much coffee I want, or how much liquid I want it to push through the coffee. And I'll just top it off there. So it's really up to you to adjust to your tastes and cup size, but you can see how easy it is to program, obviously if you put less coffee in, it's going to be a stronger tasting drink, usually up to about 1 ounce. So, usually if you want it really strong, I would go up to 1 ounce of coffee. And then anything beyond 1 ounce starts to make it more, make the coffee weaker. And on this machine. So I think that's about all I have. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.